Hey McCainers, it's time for your faves with your faves, where your favorite McCain cooking personalities get to cook up some of your favorite recipes that you've been submitting to the website throughout the year. I'm Joshy Mims, and you can click this link below to go to the McCain website where you'll find the recipe I'm making today. Thank you for submitting all those recipes to the McCain website, and today I'll be flexing my culinary muscles to see if I can maybe add a twist or two to those recipes. Today I'll be making a mouth-watering, tasty cheeseburger with McCain Oven Chips. And best believe it's going to be made with love because it's made by me. I want to give a big shout out to Ntasana Makuwa from Gauteng for this recipe. So we're going to start with the burger. So we're going to drop some salt in there, some pepper, and don't forget the mixed herbs. Let's get some extra protein to the party. It's time to get our hands nice and dirty. So just gonna mix it in. Let's get this parchment ready. And no, I'm only making 2 burgers. It's gonna be a double. I'm joking, my mom raised me well. We're gonna share today. Let's get that sorted. And into the fridge they go. Let's go. And this is when the star, the actual star, you know, not the backup singer, the front man, comes to the party. So where McCain have our advantage, their potatoes are locally grown and it's fresh from the farm to the freezer to the fryer. And yeah, those chips will probably take 12 minutes, give or take. Let's get some oil on the pan. This is like the best part, wait for that sizzle. So you know what's gonna make the patties even better? Some cheese. Whenever I make a cheesy joke and the girl's like, that sounded kind of cheesy, I was just like, I thought it was pretty Gouda. So yeah, let's get these off. Let's drop that there. It's time to prep the buns, bring the whole party together. So what we're gonna do, drop that on there. You have to kind of stay healthy. Get some lettuce, some tomato. Drop that on there, party hat, and there you go. But wait, there's still more. We got the oven chips, the best part. Can you hear that? Sounds like Christmas. Crispy on the outside, soft and fluffy on the inside, just the way I like it. And there you go, final product. I want to give another shout out to Ntasana for this winning recipe. I'm most likely going to add it to mine. And another big thank you to the McCain family for another wonderful year. And guys, please keep submitting those recipes to the website. And don't forget, if you haven't already, sign up to the Made with McCain monthly newsletter. I hope to do this again, but I've been talking way too much. So let me dig in and just know a meal slaps harder when it's made with McCain.